Persons, let's learn Algebra 2, and our topic for this video is Arithmetic Progression. Good day, I'm Engineer Melvin Jan H. Banzuelo. So, ano nga ba yung arithmetic progression? So, ito yung ang arithmetic progression, it is a sequence in which yung pagkuha ng isang term from the previous term is mag-a-add lang tayo ng constant. Again, so a given term, and then kunin natin yung next term, add ka ng constant. Kunin naman yung natin yung another term, add ka naman ng constant. Another term again, add ka naman ng constant. So it means may common difference between two terms. Yan po yung arithmetic progression. Basic example of arithmetic progression is yung odd number or even number. An odd number, halimbawa, yung first term mo is 1, the second term mo is 3, next 5. Yung common difference ng per every term ay 2. So, another example, yung even number, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and so on. So, yung common difference from one term to another term is 2. So, that is an example of an arithmetic progression. Okay? So, problem 1, an arithmetic progression starts with 3, has 9 terms, and the middle term is 19. Determine the sum of the first 9 terms. So, meron, yung A1 niya, yung first term niya is 3, tapos may 9 terms sila, and then yung middle term is 19. So, ang tanong, ano yung middle term na yon? What nth term yung middle term na sinasabi? Okay? Determine the sum of the first 9 terms. So before we will solve this using calculator, we will get first what is the middle term or what is the nth term, which is the middle term. Okay? Ano yung nth term na yon? So, take note of this, that in order for us to solve the middle term, that is n plus 1 over 2 na th, okay? And then we know that we have 9 terms, so therefore we have 9 plus 1 divided by 2. So kaya, ayan po siya. So therefore, the middle term is the fifth term. Or, pwede natin sabihin that the fifth term is 19. Okay? The fifth term is 19. So ngayon, pwede na tayong mag-calculator kasi nga meron na tayong pwedeng ma-input sa table para sa calculator. Okay? Kasi nga, ang arithmetic progression, stat mode po ito sa calculator. Okay? A plus bx. That is linear. So yun po yung gagamitin natin sa calculator sa pag-solve ng mga arithmetic progression na mga problems. So, gamit ang calculator. So, pag arithmetic progression, ano nga yung gamitin natin? Yung gagamitin natin dito ay mode. And then, ito, hanapin natin yung stat. Punta tayo sa stat 3. And then, a plus bx po pag arithmetic progression. So, mode 3, 2. Okay? Mode 3, 2. So, ang sabi, ano nga sabi sa problem? It starts with 3. So, therefore, yung arithmetic progression starts with 3. Itong x, ito yung n. Kumbaga, ito yung n. So, kung mag-input ako ng 1 dito sa x, it means first term. So, input ako ng 1. So, yung first term niya ay, anong sabi sa problem? First term niya ay 3. And then, meron siyang 9 terms, di ba? Meron siyang 9 terms. And then, yung middle is 19. And na-solve na natin that the middle term is the fifth term. So, input natin 5. Ayan yung fifth term. And then, ano yung fifth term? The middle term, that is 19. So, meron na tayong table. Since this is a line, importante lang na, di ba, a plus bx to, mode 3 to, importante lang na ma-input natin sa table is 2 points. Okay, 2 ordered pairs. Anong ordered pairs yun? 1, 3. Ibig sabihin, first term is 3, fifth term is 19. And ang tanong is the sum of the first 9 terms. So, press AC muna tayo, and then shift lag. Okay, shift lag. And then, sum kasi ito ng first 9 terms, punta tayo ng shift. Punta tayo ng stat. 1. Oh, by the way, hindi pala 1. Sorry. Alpha x muna tayo. Alpha x. And then shift 1. And then 5. And then 5. Tapos, comma. So, itong comma, ito na yung, ang una, the lower limit, which is first 9 terms. So, galing sa first term, and then comma, and then papuntang 9 terms. So, ito na yung sum of first 9 terms based sa given natin na first term is 3 and the fifth term is 19. So, ano yung sagot? Pag-press ko ng equal, lalabas na po ang correct answer. So, ayan. So, the correct answer is 171. So, the correct answer is 171 and that is letter D. Problem number 2. Find the sum of the first positive odd integers. Find the sum of the first 100 positive odd integers. Ito, diretso na po tayo sa calculator. Again, sa calcio, pag-input natin sa table, we need 2 pairs lang. 2 pairs, so 2 points. So, ang gawin natin, first term is 1 kasi nga odd integers naman yung tanong. Ang second term is 3. Yun lang. And then, we will solve kaagad the sum of the first 100 positive odd integers. Ito, mode 3-2 pa rin ito kasi this is still arithmetic progression. So, tandaan always na once mag-calculate tayo, we are using calculator, mode 3-2 po para sa arithmetic progression. So, let's input mode, and then that is 3, and that is 2. So, ang sabi sa problem, sum of the first 100 positive odd integers. So, the first term here, pag sinabi nating add integer is 1. So, again, kailangan lang natin ng 2 points para ma-solve. Then, the second term is, ano yung second term? That is 3. So, ayan na yung table. Now, ang tanong, what is the sum of the first? Okay? So, sum of the first, summation pa rin yung gagamitin natin, shift log, and then alpha x, and then shift 1, 5, 5. And then, first 100 terms kasi sabi, 1, and then shift up to 100 terms. So, ayun. So, press natin yung equal. O, ayan. Medyo natagalan si calculator. And then, ayan, lumabas po. Yung correct answer is 10,000. So, every time we encounter a sum of first 100 terms, first 5 terms, shift flag lang yung gagamitin natin. So, ito yung summation niya. Kung sasabihin sa problem, sum from 5th to 100 term, 5 ilalagay natin dito. 5th to 55 term, so 5 at saka 55 ang ilalagay natin dito sa 100. Okay, so the answer for this problem is letter A, that is 10,000. Problem number 3, find the sum of all integers between 300 and 800 that are exactly divisible by 14. So, gawin natin, ito ha, take note, divisible by 14. So, gawin natin, hanapin natin yung first term na malapit sa 300 and hanapin natin yung last term na malapit sa 800. So, dapat hindi lalagpas ng 800 and then sa 300 naman, dapat lalagpas ng 300. Okay, so ganun yung hahanapin natin. So, pag sinabing divisible by 14, pinakamalapit sa 300 na nasa mind ko na divisible by 14 is very obvious na 280. And then from 280, mag-a-add na lang tayo ng 14, 14. Okay? So, 280 yung pinakamalapit. Kaso nga, si 280 hindi kasali kasi nga, between 300 and 800 yung tinatanong. So, kung mag-a-add ako ng 28 dyan, in which we know na yung 28 ay divisible by 14, magiging 308 siya. So therefore, yung first number na between 300 and 800 na divisible by 14 ay 308. So therefore, yan po yung first term natin. And then, hahanapin naman natin yung last term. Kasi madali naman kasi yung pag may first term ka, pwede ka nang makalagay ng second term. Kasi we add lang 14 sa 308 para sa second term natin. Kasi nga, sabi sa problem, divisible by 14. So, mag-iisip tayo, ano kaya yung malapit sa 800? So, pwedeng yung 280, multiply ko ng 3. So, pag i-multiply ko ng 3 yung 280, ano kaya yung result? So, yung result po niyan is 840. Problema, hindi po yan kasali sa 840 kasi nga, lumagpas po tayo sa 800. So, gawin natin, magsasubtract tayo. Subtract tayo ng 28, pwede rin subtract tayo ng 56. As we all know, 56 are divisible by 14. Okay, pwede ring 42. Let's try kung 42, pwede. Kasi parang malayo na masyado yung 56. So, we will subtract 42. And as we know, 42 is divisible by 14. So, magiging 798 siya. So, yun. It's very obvious na yun na po yung last number na divisible by 14 tapos between 300 and 800. So, okay na tayo. Meron na tayong mai-input sa calculator natin. Okay? Okay, so mode, and then 3, and then 2. Okay. So, yung first term natin is, ano yung first term natin? 308. Okay, 308. And then, syempre, divisible by 14. So, yung second term natin is 308 plus 14. So, ganun lang po yung style. So, 308 plus 14. Okay. Take note that yung last term natin is 798. So, kukunin na natin yung sum from the first term up to yung term na may value na 798. So, press AC lang natin, shift, ayan, and then X, and then shift 1, 5, and then 5, ayan. And then from 1 to, ayun, from 1 to 798 x hat. Okay, so that will represent as the last term of ng set natin between 300 and 800. So, yun lang. So, ito yung number, ilang term, ito yung last term ng numbers na divisible by 14 na between 300 and 800. So, press equal. So, ayun. So, the correct answer is 19,908 yung correct answer. Okay, so the correct answer here is letter B, 19,908. So, dito, hindi na natin kinuha kung ilang terms meron. Diniretso na lang po natin input sa calculator yung 798x hat. Kasi nga, pag 798x hat lang, makukuha natin kung ilang numbers ang meron between 300 and 800. Eh kung ganun yung tanong, 798x hat na yung gawin natin. Kaso nga, ang tanong is sum ng lahat ng numbers na between 300 and 800. Okay, so that's all. And again class. Okay, so let's practice solving problems. Yun lang po yung technique sa mathematics. Practice, practice, practice. And for you to practice, meron po tayong PMM or Passers Mastery Module. And punta po kayo sa Algebra and choose section 1.1, 1.2. So yun po, section 1.1 and 1.2 ng ating Passers Mastery Module. Okay? So choose QUEX para makapag-practice po tayo. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day and enjoy studying.